Oh, I work with string for a living and still I get tangled. Hey fellow flowers, Violet here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited because we are coming at you with another review, the Fast Food Bead Stackers box by Fashion Angels. We're going to get into kind of like a little review and unboxing for it. So for those of you who are not familiar with Fashion Angels, you can find them at your local Walmart as well as online. And for me being a small YouTuber, it kind of feels a little bit like I've made it because they sent me this box and literally like their products are in the Walmart down my street. So it's kind of cool, just saying, kind of nerding out a little bit over here. This box really inspired me just from the get-go because I think that it opens up a lot of doors and possibilities for lanyards. So I really want to share it with you. So this is the box. Check it out. It has plenty of goodies, including this carrying case, instructions on how to make little bracelets, the elastic cord, as well as a collector's card, and of course all of the magnificent beads that come with this, including these round ones, these pearl-like ones, these kind of more rubbery ones, and the stacking beads. So this is what this innovative box is really all about, are these stacking beads. Each of these is actually individual pieces that you can thread together to make something super cute like a keychain or a bracelet. I'm really excited to get to making something with these little food beads. I think they're gonna be so much fun. Now the box comes with this black elastic cord. That's me pulling quite a lot. And check out that Young's modulus. The way that I like to start bracelets is I'll just tie the bead on there like so. I'll tie the bead on and then I'll tie a little knot around that bead. So just formed a knot like so. And then I'm gonna scoot that bead all the way, like as close to that edge as I can. I'm gonna scoot that bead all the way to the edge, give myself about 1 inch so that way when I tie it, I can tie it all off. And then we'll tie it once more just to keep it in place. Now, I am having an issue getting the first bead on. There's a little bit of like filament on the end of it. I don't know what else to call it. Now on to the pros and cons about the box. What I really enjoyed is that the box came with pearls and like golds and silvers, so you could make more neutral toned accessories, but then it also came with more vibrant ones, the flowers and the smiley faces, and of course the stacking beads. Now, if you were to make necklaces, there isn't a lot in the box to make that, but if you're making a variety of like bracelets and keychains, there is plenty to work with in here. And now for the downsides, I will say that the stacking beads were a tad bulky, so I ended up using those for keychains as opposed to bracelets. I did make one bracelet with it, and I accidentally fell asleep with it on, and it stayed on my wrist all night, so it wasn't like super bothersome, but for my own taste, it's not something that I would like flaunt around. All in all, I had a lot of fun with this box, and here's everything, or almost everything that I made with it. I made quite a few keychains and bracelets and got to bond over this box with my daughter, so bonus points for that. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this review, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, keep blooming.